gut-repairing drink recipe using only 5 ingredients. One of the most common health conditions affecting people around the world is gastrointestinal or digestive problems. In the US alone, 60 to 70 million people are affected by digestive disorders. Some of the most common types are constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, or more widely known as GERD. And there's no denying that nutrition plays a huge part when it comes to digestive health. Those who consume a diet that's high in processed and sugary foods and have poor eating habits like having huge meals at a time and eating too much before bedtime have high chances of developing digestive disorders. Aside from poor nutrition and diet, obesity and stress are other major factors that can damage one's gut health. Now that we have a clear understanding of how digestive issues can develop, it's time to learn how to prevent and treat them. This healthy drink that we're going to share with you will help cleanse and heal your digestive system. Drinking it regularly will increase the healthy bacteria in your gut, balance your body's acidity levels, and relax and tone your digestive muscles. In addition, this drink will help you get a good night's rest, which also helps in easing the symptoms of common digestive problems. There are only 5 ingredients needed to prepare this drink, which are chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has long been used to treat digestive problems including stomach cramps, ulcers, gas, diarrhea, and acid reflux. And as we've mentioned earlier, this drink would help you get a good night's sleep, and the main ingredient responsible for this effect is chamomile tea. Chamomile helps your body relax and induces calmness, which makes it a great pre-bedtime drink for those having trouble sleeping at night or those struggling with anxiety. The next ingredient is ginger. Ginger has long been used as an herbal medicine that can reduce bloating, stomach aches, and some of the symptoms brought by acid reflux disease, a condition characterized by stomach acids flowing back up the esophagus. Ginger also has antimicrobial properties that help eliminate disease-causing bacteria in the gut. Furthermore, this powerful spice is rich in antioxidants that aid digestion. Moving on, we have lemon juice. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C that fights infections, heals wounds, and helps protect the body from diseases. Lemon also helps get rid of toxins or harmful substances from the body, which is beneficial for digestive health. Moreover, lemon contains a healthy amount of fiber that improves digestion. This fiber is also beneficial when it comes to weight loss, since consuming fiber-rich foods gives you a healthy feeling of fullness, allowing you to control your appetite and avoid overeating. And finally, for the last ingredient, we have honey. Honey, with its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, is a beneficial component of this drink. Studies have shown that honey helps treat several digestive diseases such as dyspepsia, diarrhea, ulcer, and constipation. If possible, use the raw and organic type of honey in making this drink, since it's the healthier variant. But before we proceed with the video, if you're finding it helpful so far, give it a like, subscribe to our channel to see more informative health content, and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new video. Now that we've talked about the powerful health benefits of the drink's ingredients, it's time to learn how to prepare it. It's very easy. Brew a bag of chamomile tea in 1 cup of boiling water. Add about half a teaspoon of ground ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Mix them well, and you now have a healthy drink that can repair your gut and help improve your quality of sleep. Drink it every day 30 minutes before going to bed. If you incorporate this into your routine, along with a nutritious diet and active lifestyle, you'll surely see amazing improvements not just in your digestive health, but in your weight too. Are you wondering how that's possible? Well, digestion is strongly connected to metabolism and weight, which means that taking care of your gut would help you lose weight and maintain it. And since we're already on the topic of safe and effective weight loss, we also recommend the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that's made up of all natural ingredients too. Just like that homemade drink we just shared with you, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a delicious blend of fruits, spices, and tea extracts, and it targets the root cause of belly fat by activating a powerful fat-burning hormone in the body. Those who've used it are already seeing incredible results without adding in exercise or changing their diet. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33 pounds of fat in just 30 days by simply drinking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily in the morning. One of the first to try is Susan Atley, a 45-year-old mom of 3 who was unable to exercise due to osteoarthritis in her knee. In just 28 days, she lost a total of 33 pounds. Watch Susan's incredible weight loss transformation using the link in the video's description below. And that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have more helpful and informative health videos to share with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.